Hi, my name is Jamie. I'm the owner of Perfect Home Restoration in Medina, Ohio. We were founded in July of 2013. We're a restoration company that focuses on roofing, siding, gutters, and insurance restoration. I worked in the industry for a couple of years and realized that there was a need for an honest, dependable, trustworthy, transparent company out there. And I think that's what Perfect Home Restoration is. We provide quality craftsmanship. We follow through with our customers. You can reach us at any point during the projects. You're going to know what to expect before we do any work on your home, and we treat your home like it's our own. We wouldn't do any work on a customer's home that we wouldn't be happy with doing on our own. We look forward to working with you and providing you the quality service that we stand behind at Perfect Home Restoration. Give us a call today to set up a free estimate.